Protecting your email account is more important than ever. In this video, we'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for your webmail account through cPanel. This extra layer of security helps keep your account safe by requiring a verification code from your mobile device in addition to your password. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into Webmail. First, sign into your Webmail account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Webmail dashboard. Step 2. Open the two-factor authentication settings. From the Webmail home screen, locate the Edit Your Settings section. Alternatively, you can click on your email address or profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Two-Factor Authentication. Then, click Set up Two-Factor Authentication to begin the configuration process. Step 3. Connect your Authenticator app. A QR code will now appear on your screen. Open your preferred Authenticator app on your smartphone, such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Duo Mobile. Use the app to scan the QR code displayed in Webmail. If you're unable to scan the code, you can manually add the account by entering the provided account details and security key into your Authenticator app. Step 4. Verify and activate 2FA. Once the account has been added, your Authenticator app will generate a unique 6-digit verification code. Enter this code into the Security Code field in Webmail before it expires. Remember, these codes refresh every 30 seconds. After entering the code, click Configure Two-Factor Authentication to complete the setup. That's it. Two-factor authentication is now enabled for your Webmail account. The next time you log in, you'll be asked to enter both your password and the current verification code from your Authenticator app. This added security measure helps protect your email account from unauthorized access. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more web hosting and security tutorials. Thanks for watching.